Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is factors influencing on calculation of doses. In previous class, you will discuss about some factors. In this class, you will discuss about another factors. First one is environmental factors. Environment play an important role in effect of drugs. When stimulant drugs are taking higher dose in daytime when compared to nighttime. Next, serotonin drugs are produces so much sedation in nighttime, so less amount of serotonin drugs are taken in nighttime. So light and temperature affects the effects of drugs. Next one, some physiological behavior or physiological factors. Mind play important role in effect of drugs. Due to effect of mind, the responses of drugs also can be increases. The personality and behavior of physician also may influence the effect of drugs. In some type of patients are in personally considered as some type of physicians are produces to treat their diseases in well manner. So once patients are taking visit once a month to relieve their treatment. And also females are more emotional than males and require less dose of certain drugs. Inert doses forms are also called as placebos, which resemble the actual medicament in the physical properties on crown to produces therapeutic effect benefit in disease like angina pectoris and bronchial asthma. Inert doses containing though there is no medicament in their drugs, the emotional effect of patient they are taking the original drug, so they are feeling to reduce their effect. Next one, presence of diseases. In older patients, their hepatic system and renal system can be disturbances can be occur. So patients taking drugs, they are taking how high amount of drugs. Drugs like barbiturates, chlorpromazine may produces unusually prolonged effect in patients having liver cirrhosis. Streptomycin produces toxic effects on patients. Their kidney function is not working properly because of streptomycin excreted through the kidneys. So patients who are having kidney failure and liver failure, there are high doses of drugs can be taken. In case of older patients, calculation of doses can be based on their presence of disease conditions. Next one, accumulation. When repeated administration of drugs for longer time, they are accumulated in our body to produce their toxic effects. It means when a drug is used for continuous prolonged time, it may causes accumulation in our body tissues. It may causes toxic effects. These type of drugs are excreted through slowly and causes toxic effects. This occurs due to accumulative effect of the drugs in our body.